The vast ocean is the cradle that carries human civilization. The mighty machinery builds the blue economic ridge. On the banks of the Yangtze River in China, at the shipbuilding hub of Taiju, Jiangsu Sanke Offshore Equipment Company, Limited, is providing reliable equipment solutions for global marine engineering through technological innovation and precision manufacturing. Founded in 2005, the company is a high-tech enterprise and has developed into a professional manufacturer covering an area of 29,700 square meters, with 19,000 square meters of standardized workshops and an annual production capacity of 300 million renminbi. We have a team of 170 professionals, including 30 senior naval engineers and quality experts, and are equipped with 600 tons static load test bench, 250 tons dynamic load test bench, 4,000 tons M-crane test bench. In addition, we have standardized painting workshops, laser cutting machines, sandblasting machines, large gantry machining centers, large vertical lathes, large boring machines, and large CNC grinding machines, ensuring that every piece of equipment leaving our factory meets international standards. Quality is the foundation of our company. Jiangsu Sanke has obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certifications. All products can acquire certifications from 9 major international classification societies, including CCS, China, ABS, USA, BV, France, KR, Korea, DNV, Norway, NK, Japan, RS, Russia, LR, UK, and RENA, Italy. Our products are exported to Europe, America, Japan, Korea, and other developed regions. In the field of ship mooring and anchoring, Jiangsu Sanke is a trusted designer and manufacturer, providing 1,500 kN then mooring positioning winches, 600 kN automatic mooring winches, 3,000 kN multi-purpose tow winches, 2,500 kN engineering winches. From 10,000 DWT to 500,000 DWT vessels, we offer comprehensive mooring solutions. Our lifting equipment also leads the industry. Gantry systems, load capacity up to 150 T, specially designed for deep water cable laying and deep sea detectors. Hydraulic slewing cranes, load capacity up to 100 T 40 M, designed for engineering vessels and offshore platforms. Folding boom cranes, load capacity up to 100 T 40 M, suitable for various engineering vessels. Telescopic folding boom cranes, load capacity up to 30 T 5 M, suitable for various engineering vessels. All cranes are designed to operate under various marine conditions. At Jiangsu Sanke, quality control runs through every step: strict inspection of raw materials, full process monitoring during production, complete machine testing on test benches, on-site classification society acceptance. We adhere to strict standards to ensure that every piece of equipment withstands the harshest marine environments. Innovation drives our development. Jiangsu Sanke invests 6% of annual revenue in R&D and has applied for over 30 patents. Notable achievements include 2022 delivery of 6,000 M 10,000 M high-pressure optoelectronic composite cable handling systems, demonstrating our deep-sea equipment technology capabilities. 2023 delivery of the multifunctional laying ship gantry crane for CCCC Shanghai Navigation Bureau, representing industry-leading technology in its field. From Antarctic research to Arctic navigation, from ocean-going supervessels to specialized engineering ships, Jiangsu Sanke provides innovative equipment for over 150 marine projects worldwide, making Chinese smart manufacturing shine on the world stage. Representative projects, multifunctional operation and maintenance mothership, supporting carbon neutrality and deep-sea resource development. Haifeng 3001 wind power maintenance vessel, safeguarding clean energy. Fanju 7 and Fanju 8 self-propelled deck ships, delivering 10,000-ton offshore transport missions. CCCC Shanghai Navigation Bureau intelligent laying ship, reshaping marine construction with technology. Xinhaishun LNG dredger, green power protecting blue oceans. World's first Jianjing Bay No. 1, bringing intelligence to deep-sea aquaculture. Zhongqian Technology Shanghai Yuanhui 16, 000T cable laying ship, super artery of deep-sea energy. Hainan International Aerospace Command ship, precision guardian of the Starry Sea. With 60% of its production exported, Jiangsu Sanke has earned international trust. Every breakthrough represents a commitment to the future of the ocean. We navigate the deep blue with global partners, building on integrity, high-quality foundations, and innovation-driven progress. Marine equipment opens up the world and revitalizes the country.